Okay. The other day I put in this air conditioner, and it's a 5,000 BTU, and it cools in here, but it doesn't make it cold. So I went out and bought this one today. It was on Marketplace, used. I hope I didn't pay too much for it, but it's a 1,400 BTU with a heater. And I'm hoping it's what you would call like a heat pump heater, not one of those kind of little red wires that get hot. But I'm gonna hook it up and see if it works. That's why I cut the hole in the wall so I can hook up the exhaust. There's a place where it takes the exhaust outside. And this hose goes right to that. By the way, thank you, Eric Polson, for those safety glasses I just took off. So I guess we'll find out right quick whether it puts out enough cold to be a good deal or not. Yeah. It has a remote control, which needs batteries, but I could throw some batteries in it. We can see what it does, if anything. Okay, it's working, and it started off sounding like it wasn't going very fast, but then it just like kicked in or something, and now it is going fast. And the air does feel pretty chilly-ish, and it's not real loud. Some air conditioners, you know, they'll just about rattle you out of the house, but this one isn't so bad. I'm got a little connection down there. I'm gonna get me some of that squirt insulator stuff and go around it. I'll probably put a couple of screws in from the back side to hold that still. And other than that, probably the best thing I can do is just to kind of have a seat out here, give that thing some time to run and see how well it chills. Now I could cut that one on too. In fact, I may just leave that other one right there in the window. That way, if I decide that I want to use them both to, you know, chill down the room here when I've been outside working and I come in and I want to make it cool quick, it might work well to have them both going. I'm just going to climb up on this chair and play with this little 76 banjo, 3-string banjo that I picked up at the Hippie Fest the other day. Like that blow over there. It'd be nice to have a pick for this. Yeah, I got that I could use for a pick. Sometimes an old credit card would be good for something. I have an old credit card on me right now. I got to find something. Here's an owl's head transportation museum schedule. Try using that for a pick. Hold it up, find a sharp edge. Y'all see me in there? So I'll give you a quick update on my air conditioning situation. I can't remember if I told you all this yesterday or not, but I have a remote control that came with this thing, and I put fresh batteries in it. Actually, Eric Colson, thank you, brought me some batteries and gave them to me. But this has I read the book, which I don't usually stoop to reading instructions, but
I couldn't figure out how to make this work just right. And basically the way this works is you turn it on here. You can see it's doing something. Then you hit max, and that puts the air conditioner on high speed. And that worked pretty good. That throws out a lot of cold. Yesterday it got really hot in here. I didn't say that right. Yesterday it got really hot. And this thing cooled the garage pretty well, but at a certain point when I walked in here, I could tell there was a lot of heat coming down from above. This is a pretty tall, space here, even with the insulation. And there's a few cracks in the insulation, like if you notice right up in there, there's over in that building there, I stuffed all those cracks with little insulation pieces that I cut out. I could probably do the same thing there, or I could buy me a bottle of that little can of that squirt spray, and I might do that. It's actually easier to squirt a little spray up in all the little holes. But what I did, this thing's freezing me out. Let me cut this off because I don't need it this morning. What I did when I felt all that heat coming down from above is I clicked that other air conditioner over there on, and after a while I walked back around and checked it, and it's pretty comfortable here. So I think the air conditioner's working out pretty good. I'm happy with that.